What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? AcesBlackStar in the building. It's been a long time. Right now we at Pseudo's right now, and they having a little old school night. So I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of what's going on over here in Ellenwood at Pseudo's. But let's jump into it. Oh yeah, I just want to show y'all we up. Y'all want to make some money in the Forex space? Y'all know who to get with. You see where we at, 40K, floating 40K right now. That means if I close this trade right now, we up 40K. So with that being said, let me show y'all what we got over here in Ellenwood at Pseudo's. A couple old schools, got a couple new schools, a couple vets. I might have to cut the music, or I might have to cut the audio because the music.
Somebody say, hey, what's your alarm clock? My passion. My dreams wake me up. I don't need no alarm clock.
Now, how does it feel to achieve such success?
I've never really viewed myself as particularly talented. I view myself as, slightly above average in talent. And where I excel is ridiculous, sickening work ethic.
Yo, it's your boy, Young Cash, give a shot. AcesBlackStar, you already know. Be your boss, man. We out here.
Next time we're gonna bring the old school out. We got a little something out here. I like this money though, with the roof in it. Got the dunks out here, Camaros, boxes, 442 out here, and they just getting started. I'm sure these ain't all the cars. It's a couple of little old schools over there too. But this Monte Carlo clean, boy. That thing clean. I need to go ahead and get mine repainted and go ahead and bring it out. Black on black on black. Got the box. He got the whole parking lot. They had some horses out here. Don't know. So they got a little something out here. And it's only like 9 o'clock. Started at 8. You're not hot. Well, it's actually 9:42 right now. So it's probably all that's gonna be out here. But it's a little something out here. On bike night, it'd be so many people out here. So many people out here on bike night. And what I've learned being in Georgia, it's a lot of old schools, but they come out at the big car shows. Like back where I'm from in Michigan, they used to come out at every car show. It wasn't really that many new cars. But here in Georgia, it's a lot of new cars here. So people be on that new stuff. Which is cool, which is dope. I like the new school and the old school. I'm I'm a little mixed with both. Y'all see I had the Lambo and I got the Monte Carlo. I like both. So that's what it is with me. But y'all know I'm in a Tesla right now. I'm in a new. But yeah, so that was a little quick video, man. I just wanted to kind of reintroduce myself back into the game. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. I appreciate everybody for subscribing to the channel. Our main focus, man, is to help people financially and mentally. So if that's something that you're interested in, you know, keep on watching. We're gonna keep on motivating, inspiring y'all. And if y'all want to learn how to jump into the investment game and start investing, or actually jump into the system and let me invest for you so that you can make money, then we're doing that as well. So with that being said, I'll check y'all in the next video. Boss for what? Let's get it out. Hey, Forex been paying the bills, man. Forex been paying the bills, plus some, plus some, plus some, plus some. Come on, man. Come on, man. Stop playing. Hey, learn how to make money off your money. That's the most important thing that you could do right now, because working for money is not. That's not. Especially having 2 or 3 jobs. That's for 2 and 3 people. Make your money from your job, then invest your money. And it don't matter how much money you have, you can invest it. There's always a way where you can start investing. But what I've learned is a lot of people don't know how to manage their money, and that's what keeps them from investing it. They want to buy a bunch of extra stuff, trying to fit in with the Joneses and trying to look like the rich, but not be rich, you know. And really, to be 100% honest, a lot of people just like to look like the celebrities. It ain't even looking like they rich or wealthy, because, you know, wealthy people don't even look rich at all. They wear the same shirts every day, wearing the same jeans every day, same color. They don't have a lot of extra stuff going on. But our culture, it's a little different. Everybody wants to be a part of the hip hop culture, and it don't work if you were trying to really create wealth. You know, now if you already got it, then it's okay to splurge. It's okay to spend a little something. But make sure that what you're spending comes from your investment, not from your active income, you know? So what I like to do is I like to make money, invest the money, and then the profits from the investment, I spend a nice little small piece of that to get my toys, to get my trophies. And that's what I just keep on doing over and over and over again. So we don't never spend our active income on trophies or toys. We always spend the return, the ROI, and that's how we just keep making it work for us. So with that being said, if you are interested in investing and you have at least $1,000, we can help you make 5 to 16% monthly on your income. All right, so if that's something that you're interested in, comment below, and you know, we get enough comments, we'll actually put it out there. But for right now, I just kind of want to plant that seed and let y'all know that we will start helping people on YouTube, because right now we already have 22 people in our system that we're helping each and every day make money, each and every month make money, and they're already up 35% right now, which is amazing. I'll go ahead and put on the screen what it looks like if you invested a certain amount all the way up until now, and it's only been like 3 months. So all the way up until now, if you've invested 100, if you've invested 1,000, if you've invested, you know, 2,000, I'll show you that, just to show you what the potential is if you would have got started with us at the beginning. So the best time was 3 months ago. The next best time is right now. So join the movement, Boss for What. We want to empower you, help you make money, and live a better life. All right, with that being said, I will see y'all in the next one. Let's get it. Check it for AC hand on the shoulder. Black Star, make a real, don't wanna hear show. So if you with it, AC baby, gon' do the most. Bring that